لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه
Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I will be showing you a top site you can go. Top site you can go what and start working for this, so you start seeing it. First of all, go to a site named Ratatype. Ratatype.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما
Ratatype.com.
خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء
Ratatype.
من
What is Ratatype? Ratatype is an
علمه
online platform that
إلا
allows you to
بما
learn
شاء
what? To learn your typing speed.
وسع
To learn your
كرسيه
typing speed. Once you are
السماوات
done
والأرض ولا
learning,
يؤوده
then you will be given
حفظهما
certificate. You'll be
ولا
given certificate for
يؤوده
typing. You'll be given certificate for your
حفظهما
typing skills.
وهو
For your typing
العلي
skills. Can you just what is the process required for registration at this platform? Just click on sign up. The easiest part to register is to sign up with Google. Then you can choose any other name. Can you see? Master touch typing with our free typing tutor. Take a test and get your own certificate. Get a high score and compare it with your friend. You can select the party begin. You start learning, then you grow. After that, then you can then download what your certificate. Get a certificate. You can see. Maybe pay a good luck. Then you go for the test, then get the certificate. That's it. Then after once you are done learning, now go to a site name. This site is one of the best sites you can utilize the skills acquired on Ratatype. Go to site name Talent Desire. Talent Desire. Talent Desire. talentdesire.com. talentdesire.com. I'm now on Talent Desire. What is this Talent Desire? This is a platform what that hire and also what sells typing job. They hire people for typing. Online typing job. You can see online typing job, find answer, current opening, tips, perks, and login. You just first want to sign up on this platform, then you'll be hired what for typing. You'll be hired for typing. Online providing jobs can also work as an online providing job or more per hour as your skills and experience grows so with your bank balance. You can see you can earn up to what US $10 to $50 to $37.50 more per hour as your skills and experience. For online providing jobs, you can just go for this on this platform. How it works? Explore jobs, select a job, apply for free from all over the world, then get hired with us. You can work at home and tap into a global network of work. Then start work. Talent Desire makes it easy to connect with you with clients and begin doing work from home. Choose a payment method that works best for you, from direct deposit or PayPal to wire transfer. So you can also work with affiliate marketing job. You can see she expect to get what minimum of work of what US dollar of 1,250 per month. You can earn up to $25 to $400 per day or more. So top pay you can earn up to $13,500 or more per year, or $27,000 per year as your skills and experience grow. So your bank also grow. So you can click on learn more. Guys, start here. Let's know how can you earn online. Apply for a job. Ryan, start online job. Don't be afraid to ask.
second question. Right now, Allah is facing in which direction? And number three, what is Allah doing right now? Abu Hanifa was only about to
Let's view current opening.
no one could answer, so he said, let me answer. Fine. Came up and he said, as for things before God,
Online typing job.
he said,
You can see
zero.
medical scripts, medical transcription job, online tutoring jobs, and many more, and many more, many more. But what we need is this online typing job.
So the Lord of the worlds, the glorious creator, how can he not be
A wonderful way to earn money with your typing skills if you want to earn more money. Okay, guarantee work. You should expect to get minimum work of US 1,125 per month online jobs. Pay rate.
What do you see? He said, what?
Requirement: basic knowledge of internet, English, minimum of 30 to 50 words per minute typing, speed on the computer, a computer with a high speed internet connection speed, joining profits. Registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden fee. Online typing demo work. Demo work is an online tutorial which is developed by talented team working. Payment terms and option. Then you click on apply now. Click on apply now.
Basically get me in your question. And let's let everybody hear my answer.
Then you scroll down. Select an application form.
So we got that.
Complete it as per guide. Then submit or send it to us. You can see. Complete your demo project. Review application. Okay, that's it. Let's start. Select an application form and start working.
Every action that happens in life, this is what Allah is doing. Right now, it wasn't for God, they all exist.
Want online application form.
Doesn't keep itself. Doesn't keep itself. Imam Abu Hanifa was also asked about how do you prove God's existence. As Inshallah, like he said, well, if you had a ship that was sailing in the sea, and it had no people to steer the
Fill your details to apply and work with us. That's what we need.
no propellers, nothing, just a piece of boat in the sea. And he wanted it to sail from one direction to the other and reach the
Then you fill your details, your information here. So then if you pass,
He said, well then,
you'll be taken. Not even all of our pass, they will surely hire you. If you have the qualified skill, you have the qualified skill. That's just it for you. They kindly hit the notification button, the subscribe button, so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop out some video just like this. Thanks.
without any electronics and without any satellite,